Boozy day, boozy green, boozy fresh. Boozy with the boozy fun full of flesh. Boozy day, boozy green, boozy fresh. Fresh boozy with the boozy fun.
Underestimate me. That'll be fun. I love being me. It pisses off all the right people.
Bitch, I'm back out my coma.
How to stop someone from choking. Stop. Stop. Stop.
You're gonna be eaten by a coyote. Run, little one, though the pack may follow. Two quite thin, their brother fatter. Humans to win, just gotta be faster. The yard they fought up the gutter. That was a route, better find another. Was that a rabbit? Really not like the one I've seen on a cereal box. And the birds don't pop like the ones on screen. Have they really domesticated me? And the birds don't pop like the ones on screen. Have they really domesticated me?
I wanna be a slave, I
wanna be a master.
I wanna make your heart beat,
Run like roller coasters.
I wanna be a good girl,
I wanna be a gangster. 'Cause you could
be the beauty and I could be the monster.
Don't ask questions you don't wanna know. Learn my lesson way too cool.
Everybody told me that I sound like CG5. Probably because I am CG5! I am CG5! So shut up!
It's just a cigarette and it cannot be that bad.
Honey, don't you love me and you know it makes me sad.
It's just a cigarette like you always used to do.
I was different then, I don't need them to be cool.
The rats told me everything. Don't eat those.
Don't make me sting you! I'll do it! You need to get out of here. Just kidding!
Put your hands in the air and move with the sound to the earthquake.
Peter, what the hell is that thing?
It's a dingo. I named him Bingo.
She slowly took off her wig, and she was completely bald. She then went on to tell me the most shocking thing ever. Your mom
You want a taste of my brain? Okay, it's yours anyway. A bite of my eye.
Everybody told me that I sound like CG5. Probably because I am CG5.
Never mind, I'll find
Skip. But when does this game get fucking good?
I'm fucking broken. You see me empty, glasses turn the bottle in my head. I'm feeling dizzy, but you never fucking listen. Gotta jump to your conclusions. I've been heading in directions where I end up getting bruises. That's what the truth is. I take the blame. Always getting jaded, back around, they're all the same. Never wanna hear me, I've been beating from the start. I got money, I got pills, and I got a broken heart. Fuck the love, I'm needing trust. A kiss can make me stronger, but it's fixing no one's heart. I don't need your glitter, I just need a will to start. Numbing through prescriptions, isolations we're apart. So I'm back into the track of where my head is.
Welcome to Design a Dragon Sunday. Today, I will be making a dragon based off you guys' comments. Whether you want gems, flowers, different teeth, or even a creative horn idea, comment as many ideas as you want.
It looks like he hung himself.
Hang himself like a piñata? Should I hit him like a piñata?
2 plus 2 equals
2 plus 2 is 4. Oh wait, 4 letters in Chinese. 我喜欢你，我很爱你，在你心里你很美丽。
How could a heart like yours ever love a heart like mine?
Why don't you say it, baby? Not like I don't mind, but we're so toxic lately. Don't you waste my time. Who you been fucking faking like I'm out of sight? This love ain't real and we don't feel right. It's me or them, but you won't decide. So won't you let go? Don't wanna hear a call, another text, no. Don't bother me with questions, girl. You are the same shit. Say that I'm to blame.
As we made our way through the valley, it was unlike anything I had ever seen. So beautiful, yet destructive. I felt the grip around my hand get tighter, and saw her breath in the cold air. Did you see that? She asked. I did. It was calamity.
Hey, it's Biosphere.
Tell me how to live my life. Do you wanna see my side? Everything comes and goes again. I don't know if we know it then. Tell me if we'll be alright. Dreaming right above these skies. Bluer than all the oceans, and space feels like an opening. All that I need is you. What we do is something I couldn't hide. So let me be the one to see what it's like.